up, you guys? So we're here with another video, of course. Another shopping haul video. Y'all, I think I'm addicted to shopping. Are you addicted to shopping? Should we have like a sit down, you and me? Should we talk about this? No, but for real, I ended up going to my favorite store. I think our favorite store, Tjmaxx, and y'all, they had some goodies. I'm really excited. Okay, are you all ready? I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and then we're probably gonna go to like the bathroom to like set this stuff up. So it's gonna be like, I don't know. We're just gonna do the whole thing. So I was walking down the skincare aisle, and you guys, this was hidden in the back. Hold on. Can we see that? Can we see that? It says Clean Reserve, and this is my favorite scent, the Skin Reserve Blend. I found it. I found it in a 1.7 fluid ounce for $44.99. Y'all, I'm so excited because I've been wanting like a bigger size bottle. It says that the scent is a floral musk, and if you love musky scent, definitely has a musk to it. So here is the packaging, and I'm so excited. This packaging is really, really cute, very aesthetic. Oh, it smells so good. If you guys never smell this, go to Sephora and spray it. Trust me. And then if you see this at Tjmaxx, Marshalls, wherever, buy it. Okay, and then I bought some like loofah. I got the 2-piece set. I like the colors. It's neutral. This was for $4.99. They're super soft, so I can't wait to use this. I actually just bought some Saltaire body wash and just some skincare or body care products and stuff. So I'm excited to lather this on up and wash my body. Guys, I got this right here to organize. You guys know I made a video of me organizing under the sink in my bathroom. Like, it's just still needs help, and I think this is gonna do it. If I would have seen this before I bought those like little bins, then I probably would have got this first. We'll have to, I guess we have to build it, or y'all, I don't even know. But it comes like little organizers to separate stuff, like little dividers. It was $20. They sell stuff like this. They sell stuff like this on Amazon, but I think this was cheaper. I don't actually know how small this is gonna be, so we'll see. Stab myself in the neck. Take this out. Oh Lord. It came with instructions as well. Y'all, maybe I'll be right back to see if I can build this. Y'all, I hate putting stuff together. The more like my husband is not home, the more like, y'all, I need him. Like, I need him to build stuff for me. Like, I don't want to do this. It takes me forever. Like, I was trying to read this. I'm trying to put a drawer together, and it wasn't working. So the only way I was able to put it together is actually looking at the actual image, and I got it. Now it's not falling apart, but this is what it looks like. So it just slides out. So I think this is gonna be pretty cool. I think I like it. So now we need to go organize. Also, if you guys are interested in any of the jewelry pieces that I'm wearing, they are from Amazon, and they will be linked down below. Like this cute, chunky ring right here. I love it so much. I got a size 6 to fit right here, and it fits really great. Then I have these chunky hoops right here. I have them in gold and silver, so they have 2 different colors you can get. And then I found this beautiful necklace right here. Really love this piece for the summer. It just, I just love this extra detailing. Definitely check the link down below if you're interested. And then I have similar items linked on my my trending jewelry, like these ones. I bought this off of I bought this one at Tjmaxx, but I also have something close, like similar to it, in my storefront as well. But yeah, let's go organize. Let's go over here. Y'all, I still feel like this is just a mess. I don't even know. But anyways, this is, I'm gonna be real with y'all. This is what my counter top of my sink is looking like. We have like my makeup, my everyday stuff that I'm using, like Patrick Ta, I have my Lobe Wonder, which I absolutely love Lobe Wonder. We have a lot of jewelry up here. I need to get me a jewelry box. That way we can minimize all this stuff, because I would love to have all this cleared off. Like, I just got this in the mail today, the Saltaire, and I'm gonna be putting that in my shower today. We're gonna be testing that out and see how well it's moisturizing, hydrating, all that stuff. So yeah, let's get to this. I think my main concern is gonna be this right here. And of course, everything is gonna fall down. So we have the goods back there. Y'all can see that. And so what I was thinking of is maybe putting my skincare and maybe perfumes up here. I have them up here, but I just feel like skincare and all that stuff will look really nice in here, and like to showcase it off. So maybe, should I do the perfumes up, like some of the perfumes up front? Something like that. And then we're gonna do some skincare products like in the second layer. We'll figure this out, okay guys? So we have some of the perfumes, and then I'm putting my new, this is from Way, the St. Bart's body cream. Y'all, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it through the phone, but this is just thick and just very hydrating. Smells good. Smells like a beautiful vacation, kind of coconutty. Think of like a pina colada almost, like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love this. I actually seen it at Target. If your Target has a Ulta, you can definitely buy it. You can buy it on Ulta. I actually purchased mine off of Amazon, so that's where I got mine at. So I put my Saltaire body oil in here. We have our OG.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No.
So this is what it's looking like right now. Y'all, I feel like I need another one of these so I can organize this one. I really like this container. Yeah, I definitely like this a lot. Let me know what you guys think about it. Okay, yeah, I am obsessed with this right here. This is so cute and just very organized. I really like this. I definitely have to be careful pulling it out because it will dip down. So if you get one of these at Tjmaxx, just be careful. Just be mindful that it doesn't have like a stopper. So if you keep pulling it, it's gonna come out all the way. So be careful, especially if you have glass items and stuff in there. But so cute, I'm obsessed. So this is what the bathroom is officially looking like. No more jewelry on here. I have to clean everything off because everything is just, oh Lord, I gotta clean the mirror, all of this. But yeah, it looks much better. I'm really happy about it. Of how that little section looks. So I'm excited to kind of keep on trying to get it together. This video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Everything's gonna be linked down below for y'all, so be sure to check it out, and I'll see you on the next video.